In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Add to Calendar link in Outlook email. We're going to use Outlook on the web so you can quickly share an event and make it easy for your recipients to add it to their own calendars. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you're taken to your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the calendar icon. This switches you from Mail to Calendar view. Make sure the event you want to share already exists on your calendar with the correct title, date, time, and time zone. If you're organizing a meeting, confirm any conferencing details, like an online meeting link, are already included so everything is captured when you share it. Find the event on your calendar and right-click it. A small menu will appear with options specific to that event. Choose Copy Meeting Link. Outlook will place a shareable link on your clipboard. This link points to the event details and makes it simple for your recipients to view the information and add it to their own calendar with a click. If you don't see the option right away, try right-clicking again or opening the event to look for a More Actions or Sharing option. Menus can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version. Next, return to your email by clicking the Mail icon in the left sidebar. Click New Mail to start a fresh message. In the message body, paste the link you just copied. It should appear as a clickable URL. For a cleaner look, you can type something like Add to Calendar or Save this event, highlight that text, and turn it into a hyperlink using the pasted URL. This keeps your email tidy and makes the call to action clear. Before sending, add a brief summary above the link with the event title, date, time, and time zone, so recipients immediately understand what they're saving. If you're emailing people outside your organization or across different regions, including the time zone is especially helpful. You can also send a quick test email to yourself to make sure the link opens correctly and displays the event as expected. That's it. You've created an Add to Calendar link in an Outlook email using a link directly from your calendar event. Compose your message, paste the link, and your recipients will be able to add the event to their calendars in seconds.